Hello, thank you for tuning in today. What we are going to show you is how to create a multicolor vinyl decal using Inkscape. First, what you want to do is open a second layer. Simply pressing on the plus button will add the second layer on top of the first. We're going to start out with layer 1. What you need to start off with is a registration mark. This will help you line up your multicolor decal. Layer 1, we're going to add 2 registration marks. I like to use the squares and rectangles because they're the easiest shape to line up. Next, you're going to bring in your design that you want to make multicolored. For today, we're going to use everybody's favorite, a money symbol. Size it accordingly. Next, what you want to do is on your first layer, change the colors. You want to make your first layer a different color than your second layer so you can see the difference. Next, what you want to do on layer 2, create your registration marks, and again make sure they are an opposite color. We're going to make them black. Next, you want to make sure that your registration marks go on top of each other without any background of the back color showing through. Next, we're going to copy the $sign and put it onto layer 2. We're going to enlarge the background on layer 1. You're just going to bring the node up to where it is at the point you choose to fill in the background. I like to do it where it's completely full, as you can see here. Change the color of your money sign on layer 2. Move it over to the top, and that fits absolutely perfect. This is what your multicolor decal will look like. After you are happy with the design choice, let's size it up a little bit down and send it to our cutter. Our cutter now has the image. We're going to start off with the background first. Our foreground color will be white. This is going to be the $sign. As As you can see, it's cut out. First, you're going to use your backing tape. Make sure you apply good pressure and only go halfway up on the registration marks. We're going to start out by doing this first with our white dollar sign. Lift until it's completely off of the tape and the backing paper. Reapply to the paper with the registration marks just slightly above. Line it up. Registration marks. Once it's lined up perfectly and covering, lift, remove the paper, and apply the white on top of the black. That, my friends, is the perfect way to do a multicolor vinyl decal for your customer.